the crow, the quail, the nightingale,
the skylark, the hummingbird.
Chickadee, 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 chickadee. Let's sing a song together, so happy and so free, like songbirds all together. We'll sing in harmony. Let's sing. Let's sing a song together, so happy and so free, like songbirds all together. We'll sing in harmony. Now crows, quails, nightingales, sing your part. Over and over, sing it from the heart. The crow, the quail, the nightingale, the crow, the quail, the nightingale. Now skylarks and hummingbirds, sing your part. Sing along with Cosima and sing it from the heart.
The skylark, the hummingbird, the skylark, the hummingbird, the skylark.
All of the chickadees, sing your part. Sing it over and over. Sing it from the heart. Chickadee, 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 chickadee. Let's fly. Let's sing a song together, so happy and so free, like songbirds all together. We'll sing in harmony. Now all the birds together, get ready to sing your part. Sing it 4 more times, straight from the heart. The crow, the quail, the nightingale,
the skylark, the hummingbird, the skylark,
chickadee, 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 chickadee.
the skylark, the hummingbird.
Let's sing. Let's sing a song together, so happy and so free, like songbirds all together. We'll sing in harmony.